All right, today we're building a YouTube thumbnail downloader from scratch because one of my hobbies is studying thumbnails like they're Renaissance paintings. So I'm going to make a tool that makes it super easy to download these. We're going to build this in Cursor. I'm going to throw it on my website for myself and anyone else that wants to use it. So let's do it. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. What I found is one-shot prompting Cursor sometimes just gets confused and doesn't make the best decisions. So you almost need a product manager in between to lay it all out for it. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to talk to ChatGPT here, explain exactly what I'm looking for. So I am building a YouTube thumbnail downloader tool. Basically, the user flow is the user enters in a link, the YouTube video link, and it generates a thumbnail that they can download directly to their desktop. Ideally, the download has the YouTube channel's name and the name of the title of that video link. So I want to build this in Cursor and I need a prompt for Cursor. I also want the design to be similar to my website. I'm attaching a screenshot of what I'm thinking, but I want you to just interpret what that design style is and then tell Cursor how to design it and then give it the tech stack to use as well. Just prompt the living heck out of this thing. Okay, and then I also mentioned I'm on my website as well, and I want to match the site at least a little bit. I don't know what the design is even going to look like, so I'm just going to have ChatGPT run with it and see what happens. But I have something like this is what I'm thinking. I'm just going to screenshot the cards and see. All right, then we let our product manager that would pay $20 a month get to work here. And then I do like to check. I don't just copy and paste. I do like to check what ChatGPT comes up with, just to make sure it's got everything down. All right, then we're gonna go to Cursor. We're gonna go open project. And I'm just gonna make a new folder in my coding folder. Create that. We're gonna hit open. So now we're just go to the chat window here, and we're just gonna copy and paste ChatGPT's. All right, and we let it get to work. All right, so it's just creating all the packages. I don't really know what it's doing, but I like to follow along just out of curiosity. Let's get the CSS. Okay, so it's all done. Project should be ready to run. YouTube thumbnail downloader, functionality, input field. Okay, so I just need to start the local host here in terminal. All right, let's see if it is visible. Okay, build error, totally expected. Almost every time there's a build error. So I just copy and paste this. All right, saying it fixed the build errors. We have a new development server. Hey, look at that. Not the best design, but yeah, it looks kind of cool. The real question is, does it work? So let's go to YouTube. So MKBHD, copy the link. All right, I mean, I see the thumbnail. Let's see if it downloads. Hey, look at that. And it has the correct file information. And here's the full res thumbnail. Boom, baby. All right, there we go. That's done. One prompt. It took me 5 minutes after I put in the prompt, and that was just me waiting and then saying there's one build error, and then we're live. I mean, I think this thing is good. I do want to style it a little bit better just to be a bit more similar to my site, so we're going to do that too. But I mean, this thing's good. So I just went back to ChatGPT and I just told it, I just laid out everything, and I said the design's a little lame. Can you make it better? So ChatGPT just generated this. Let's just paste that in Cursor. Hopefully it doesn't break it. Otherwise we can restore the checkpoint and go back. But let's see what happens. All right, it's got the new UI in the development server. Let's see what we got. Okay. I mean, it's something. It's something. All right, we're making progress. We're making progress. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm just going to screenshot this. Let's see. Here's what it came up with. It's pretty janky. Can you be specific as to what it needs to fix? Okay, copy that from ChatGPT. We go back to Cursor. We say, okay, so the design changes are done. Let's go to the local host, check it out ourselves, make sure this is the latest. Yeah, okay. Looking much better. I still need to fix some styling here and there, but let's see if this thing actually still works. Go here, paste in the URL, get thumbnail. Okay. Does it download? Let's see. Hey, look at that. Okay, so that is the YouTube thumbnail downloader. Took me, what, 20 minutes from start to finish? From the beginning of the prompt in real time to this end state? Pretty wild what tools you can build. If you want to use this yourself, go to the link here and download some YouTube thumbnails. All right, I'll see you in the next one.